What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. In the last episode at Twin Mountain Off-Road Adventure, we showed you some of the overlanding fun that we had and talked about the facility. We told you there was more to come, and here it is. This is the first episode of the FMC Overland Off-Road Games. This will be Game 1, and I guarantee if you make it to the 8-minute mark, you're going to be laughing whether you want to or not. So stay tuned, watch some people get muddy, get wet, and hang on for the ride.
We're going to have a few games. We got some games to play today once the rain kind of lets up. I'll break it out now. One of the games, the driver is blindfolded and the passenger has to navigate through a course that I'm going to lay out.
That's not going to cause divorces. Jesus.
Yeah, the married couples are
You
going to have
said
some
left.
after this. Yeah. We're also going to do another through another course that I'm going to magically set up and pick where I want it to go. It doesn't have as much bearing now that it's raining, but we're calling it "Don't Get Wet." Yeah.
That's the opposite of our channel's motto.
Exactly. So
Jeez.
we're going against the "Can't Make It" motto. What you will do is the driver will drive the course. The passenger will have two 16-ounce solo cups full of water. And whoever finishes the course fastest and whoever has the most amount of water remaining in their cups gets to win. No, the driver has both hands on the steering wheel. Safety.
Passengers have 2 cups.
The passenger has 2 cups. And the reason why you got 2 cups is so you can't cheat and put a hand over one. You hold 2 cups. I was going to make it 3 cups to make it really challenging.
I've got to find a way to set the camera up in the cab to watch that.
Yeah. So
I've got
we'll have
to.
some fun with that. Yeah. I got a measuring cup, so when you get done at the end, you pour it in there, and you're going to get graded on 2 scales, your time and how much water. And then
So what you got going on there?
I got a cup full of water that I'm hoping is still going to be mostly full. We'll get there.
So how excited are you about this event?
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I hope I still have some water.
You got your wet pants on?
Yes.
All right, buddy.
Gosh, don't
This
make
is
me
all on
laugh.
you. Ready?
I'll be honest, this was our first time using 3 cameras to record at the same time, so I'll go ahead and apologize for forgetting to put the GoPro in Shannon and Shauna's vehicle. But if you stay tuned, you're going to see some interior action on the next victims of this game. Once the driver clears the logs, they have to do an immediate U-turn and then roll through the muddy ditch that puts them off camber on different angles on each side. Once they clear that, they'll then run through the big mud puddle that you saw in the last video, up, over the bridge, around, and then they have to park in a designated square that the Jeep has to be into. They also have pink lines here that they can't go outside of. Ooh, look at her holding that water. So what's Mark doing?
Oh, so yeah, so Mark's going to go as fast as he can and try to throw all of the water off on Beckett and not try to do that. So,
All right. So Beckett, enjoy it when you watch this video, brother.
All right, you ready?
No.
Hey,
I don't know if I can do it. Okay.
good luck, homie.
Tell me when my start
Mark.
time is. Right, books.
Mark! Okay. Still got some. Alright, we still got some. Alright. Oh wait, I should probably open the window up. Alright, take these three. Come on, Becky. Hold that water. Alright, we got this. Alright, remember, I have my window down. So we don't have a lot of water.
Drive is a good idea.
Remember. Oh, that was a lot better than I thought it'd be. Alright, remember, easy on the bridge, Boom, fantastic. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Mark. Alright. Hurry! Am I in the box? Alright.
133.
Yeah! Can you open my door for me?
Got any water in you? That wasn't actually as bad as I was thinking it was going to be.
All right, how much did you have? And what was the first? 750.
I know, but we got better time.
Let me, hold on. Yeah, a little bit.
How was it, Beckett?
It was amazing. Mark is such a good driver, actually. He's like yeah, not my dog.
No.
No, he like drifted it and stuff, and he was just amazing.
Two girls, one cup.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Fuck! Oh shit! Oh, I pissed my pants! The pig!
I'm in the
I hate you! I love you!
Oh my god, this is so funny!
Oh my god! Oh, the camera's off! Oh, that's the camera. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay. Ready, slow, Brittany. Okay, good, thank you. Okay.
Less than 550. Barely.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's 550.
550. Yeah, Meredith, 550 for Brittany.
So do you have a mathematical equation for if somebody's faster but has more liquid or slower
So
or more
what
liquid?
we do is it's two separate timings. So you get a score of 1 through 8 for your
Gotcha.
time and 1 through 8 for your water. Now, those get added together. The person with the least amount of points wins. So in first place, you get 1 point. In second place, you get 6 points. So if you finish third and third, you get 6 points.
Gotcha.
All right, where's my cup?
Oh.
Hold it.
it, Sheena. Hold on to it. Hold it.
I got it! Oh, it's in my pants. My undies are wet!
Oh shit.
Already.
Oh shit. You gotta go through that? You gotta go through. I thought you were supposed to. Holy shit, Kissy!
Water comes out the window.
Oh my God, it's everywhere.
All right, let's get that aftermath. So how much water was in the cup after this? Any? Yeah, you want to wring some of that out back into the cup?
My crotches! Okay. Can I hold out the window? Roll my window before we hit the mud puddle.
Missed the turn.
Can we roll me up?
That way.
Yes, I got soaked and peed my pants. Oh. I want to share the love. I don't know how that didn't spill on my head.
That was incredible.
I got a lot of water.
Wow.
But I have peed my pants.
117? Yeah!
All right, Josh, I'm gonna video this so we know Travis isn't cheating. Oh wait, oh I didn't even get the pull out. I didn't get the camel toe pull out. Oh. Is there any left in the cups?
I did good. I did good.
All right, what do we got, Travis?
So we actually have a three-way tie. I don't know what you. So there's a tie between Brittany, Brian, and myself. So Brittany got the best time. I got second best. Brian third. But water, Brian had the most amount of water. I had the second amount of water, and Brittany had the least amount of water out of those three. So when it averaged out, we all got 5 points.
All right, so the tiebreaker should be whoever runs through the water in their underwear the fastest. No? All right, so how are you gonna do this, man? How are you gonna do the tiebreaker?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring people down there, and when I say go, they have to reverse and stop in the box.
Ah. Who can back it up into the box faster?
No.
All right, so basically, Brian is going first, and he is going to be backing up into Brittany's pink box. You'll see her there. Go! Hey, let's have a mulligan. Like a glove. 11.6, YouTube. All right, right now, this is the girl with the fastest time. Let's see if she can keep it on top. 1, 2, 3, go! She was nice and steady with it. It's gonna be for a good fast time. Boom! Right there, you're in. 9.1.
No, you get one.
Now, you won for this event,
Yeah, you won
stingy.
For this event, so you get the picture.
What about style points?
There you go. You can if you would.
Sure, if you want the world to know what Travis gave. Oh, so guys, this is going to be a gift certificate. Those are us.
Bag of dicks. Are there pictures of Travis?
Yeah, that's what he was gonna do. Put pictures of him and his underwear in there.
Oh, that, right.
And like his PT shorts.
Okay, it took me a minute to figure
Yeah.
out what it was.
So,
It is Lowe's home delivery
She got it.
yeah.
Nice.
Free for a year.
thing.
What?
That's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
Dude,
So
Kim would love that.
She thought you see that? She was intrigued thinking your underwear was in there.
What?
You wanted it.
Damn. He wanted the certificate.
All right, guys, that was the end of game 1. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you laughed as much as we did. Stay tuned next week for game 2. I'll give you a hint. It's like Birdbox, but with Jeeps. Thanks for watching, guys. Continue to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment letting us know if you love this video.